Pathan. I am studying in third. Good morning, principal and teachers and all my friends. Today I will tell you about Independence Day. Independence Day is a national festival in India. We celebrate it on the 15th August every year. It is the national holiday. People conduct various cultural programs. Every Indian celebrate this day. To the principal, teachers and my friend. My name is Muhammad. Today I am going to speak few lines on Independence Day. Independence Day celebrated on 15 August. India because independence on this day. We host national flag on this day. Independence Day is the celebration of our freedom. This year we are celebrating our 75th Independence Day. It is celebrated with full joy. Let's be proud to be Indians. Happy Independence Day to all. Thank you.
My respected teachers and principal, Happy Independence Day. My name is Zakwan. I am standard 3rd. Foul line on Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August every year. Independence Day is a national festival. This day is very important for all Indians. On this day in 1947, India became independent from the British rule. Independence Day teaches us the power of unity. Jai Hind.
Morning all, principal madam and teachers and my dear friends. My name is Abdul Hari, standard 3. Today I am going to talk about Independence Day. Independence Day is our national festival. Independence Day is in celebrate of freedom. India God. Independence Day is our celebrate of 15 August 1947. I wish you all very happy Independence Day.
वतन जाने जा जाने मन ये जमा ये बहा दिल मेरा जाने सा ए वतन जाने जा जाने मन ये जमा ये बहा दिल मेरा जाने सा जलवा तेरा जलवा तौबा मेरी तौबा जलवा मेरा जलवा तौबा मेरी तौबा तेरी निगाहें कहती है तेरे कदमों में सजदा जलवा तेरा जलवा जलवा ओ तेरा जलवा जलवा
Independence Day. We are gathered here to celebrate its occasion. My name is Salman Pathan from 3rd standard. Today I going to tell you about greatest freedom fighter Shahid Bhagat Singh.
They may kill me, but they not kill my ideas. They can crush my body, but they will not be able to crush my spirit. I think this quote must have reminded you all of one the greatest freedom fighter of India history, Shahid Bhagat Singh. He was born on 28th of September 97 in Jat family in Punjab. He was born in a family of freedom fighters. His father and uncle were fully involved in the struggle for independence of India. As he was born in such an environment, our forced him to approach the Britishers for India. It was all running in his blood. He died as a martyr, is very young, age 23. He found Naujawan Bharat Sabha and raised slogan of Inkalam Jindabad. Fatima Independence Day speech. Good morning everyone, respected teachers and all our dear friends. Today I am going to speak few lines on our national flag. Our national flag is also known as tricolor and tiranga. The topmost color, saffron, represents courage and sacrifice. The middle color, white, represents truth, peace and purity. The lowermost color, green, represents prosperity. In the middle, there is a Ashok Chakra, which is 24 spokes. The national flag is designed by Singular Color. Thank you. Everybody. Thank you, Independence Day. Speech. Thank you, Independence Day. Speech. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. नाम लाइबा सुरटिया है। मैं आज आपको देशभक्ति से भरी हुई कविता सुनाने जा रही हूँ। मेरा भारत मेरी शान, मेरा भारत मेरी जान, तिरंगा जिसकी पहचान है उसको मेरा सलाम है। भारत जिसका नाम है, देश ये बलिदानों का, देश ये वीर जवानों का। इस देश की रक्षा हम करेंगे, किसी भी दुश्मन से नहीं डरेंगे। मेरा भारत मेरी शान, मेरा भारत मेरी जान। जय हिंद। Respected teacher and my friends, my today's topic is our national flag. Our national flag is also known as Tiranga. The upper color saffron is for sacrifice. Middle color white is for truth. The last is green color is about for prosperity. In the middle is Ashok Chakra. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. Good morning everyone. Today is 15th of August. We are celebrating Independence Day. India became independent on this day. We hoist national flag on this day. Happy
Happy Independence Day to all. Thank you. Jai Hind. My name is Farhan Samisa Diwan. Standard third, speech on 15 August. Good morning, dear parents, teacher, honorable trustee, and all my friends. Today I am going to tell speech about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was a great and powerful leader. He was born at Porbandar in Gujarat, 2nd October 1869. His full name Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Gandhiji played very important role to get India free. He is also national father of India. He believed in simplicity, non-violence and truth. His life is very inspiration for all India. दे दी हमें आजाद बिना खंड बिना डर, साबरमती के संग तुमने कर दिया कमाल। अवधि में भी चलती रही गांधी तेरी मशाल, साबरमती के संग तुमने कर दिया कमाल। Happy Independence Day. Thank you. I have role as Mahatma Gandhi. Bye. Hello everyone, my name is Aman Pathan, standard 3rd B, roll number is 31. Good morning, dear principal, teachers and my dear friends. Today I am going to share a speech Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was a great freedom fighter and great leader. He was born 23rd January 1897. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose found Azad Hind Fauj. The great slogan Jai Hind. Netaji was given Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose used to say, तुम मुझे खून दो मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा. Today we are all independence. Happy Independence Day. Jai
national flag is also known as Tiranga, meaning tricolor. The three parallel bands of color in our national flag are saffron, white and green, white and green. Saffron stands saffron sacrifice. White stands
Born.